Lucy. Lucy, you wanna go outside? You wanna go outside and go pee-pee? You wanna go bye-bye? You wanna go bye-bye? You wanna go for a walk? Oh, relax. Do you want a treat? She's just so sick, nothing. I can't get her mouth open enough, but way in the back she's got black teeth.